Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about the coiled hose and spray nozzle kits. The coiled hose and spray nozzle kits are ideal for marine use, general cleaning, car washing, and daily gardening because they're lightweight, easy to use, and easy to store. They come with everything you need, including a coiled hose which features durable, rust-resistant brass fittings and strain relief to help prevent kinking, an adjustable spray tip nozzle with an easy-to-use thumb control pressure knob, a spray pattern adjustment dial, and a soft rubber comfort grip. Quick connect fittings which make the nozzle easy to attach and remove and which also allow the nozzle to easily swivel 360 degrees. And a durable, vented, zippered storage bag with carry handle and D-ring so you can hang your kit when it's not in use. So there you have it, Camco's coiled hose and spray nozzle kits, available in 20 foot and 40 foot. If you don't have one, you should get one today. Nozzle and hoses can also be purchased separately.
Camco.net.